fretboard. Now this is fairly subjective obviously, but if you're not sure or you need a good starting point, I would suggest 2.4 mil on the bass side at the 12th fret and 1.6 on the high E at the 12th fret. And the way to measure this is just taking a steel rule, or in this case a string action ruler, and you're sitting that on top of the fret and you're measuring from the top of the fret to the underside of the string. So in this case that's pretty much spot on, but in many cases you will need to make minor adjustments, and the way to do that is just to adjust these individual saddles, the height of the saddles. Okay, so the way to adjust this, just turn the two screws on each individual saddle, and then you just bring the measure down again. Okay, so we've raised that action. We're just a little above 2.4 now, but I'm happy with that to start with. I tend to prefer a very low action actually, lowest I can get away with, but that'll do for a starting point. Okay, the next thing I want to check is the intonation.